Cardano holders, this is the huge news of Cardano today, my friends. And that is the latest update of the Cardano ADA. If you are a holder, so never miss this update because every update is very important for all holders, my friends. But before starting this interesting video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, my friends, the latest price of the Cardano ADA is 1.56 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Cardano ADA in the market at this time, my friends. And on the other side, if we talk about the price changes of the Cardano ADA, so the price change is going negative in the last 1 hour, but the previous last 1 day price change is going positive. So I think that they will give us profit very soon, my friends. And my friends, you know what, every cryptocurrency falls down. That's not necessary for every coin that only pump. No, my friends, for a successful coin you have to falls down, you have to take a pump. With the passage of time, my friends, the price of the every coin is changed. So sometimes you take a jump, it's sometimes the price falls down, but you have to hold, my friends. If you want profit, you have to hold. And how much you profit want from this coin, so same like that, you have to hold for long time. If you want high profit, you have to hold for long time. If you want short time, if you want short profit from the any coin, so you have to hold for short time, my friends. At this time, the price of the Cardano ADA is negative in the last 1 hour, and the last 1 day pricing is positive, and the last 1 week pricing is also positive, my friends. So at this time, my friends, what should you do this time? My friends, I recommend for everyone that if you are a holder of Cardano ADA at this time, so you have to hold, my friends. And if you want to invest in a Cardano, so I think at this time, so it's a big opportunity for all of you to invest in a Cardano, because now at this time the price is going low. You can see the price falls down, so that's mean that the price going down, my friends. And after a falls, there is a jump. So I recommend for everyone to invest before they start pumping, my friends. What do you think about Cardano at the future? My prediction is going positive, and I believe that they will give us good amount of profit in the June month, and the huge pump of the Cardano are coming soon in this June month, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your personal prediction? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.